soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup, noodle soup, chicken soup, noodle.
Okay, can you remember what you've been saying about the chicken noodle soup that Nanny made? I want to show her this soup.
How much do you think you could eat of it?
How much?
A whole bathtub.
And what did you say about Nanny and her soup?
It was delightful.
That's not what you said.
That's a very good compliment, though.
Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken.
It even has a theme song now. That's how good it was.
Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup.
This is chicken in sign language.
Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup.
Do you want Nanny to make some more chicken noodle soup for us?
Yes, chicken noodle soup. Please eat me chicken noodle soup.
Maybe if you say pretty please.